Let's now take a look at the second chorus of Walk With Me. Now notice it says second chorus on the third line down. It also says 24 seconds. On the recording, not the slow down version of the recording, but the full tempo version of the recording, that's where you'll find that chorus. If we go down and see it says third chorus, 44 seconds, move down, fourth chorus, 1 minute, 5 seconds. We will, as musicians, will study chorus by chorus because that's one complete form of that progression. So that would be a handy way to find these different choruses when you're working with the song. Now we're going to go ahead and work on tongue switching. We worked on that in example 1.1, but now specifically we're going to talk about how to play the first hole. When you're in the tongue block embouchure, we will play the holes 2 through the 10 with our tongue to the left, single hole on the right. On the first hole, we'll move our tongue to the right to play that first hole. Now let's play a 3-blow. Well, let's start with the 4-blow so that we get the full 4-hole size. 4-blow. Now the 3-blow. Take notice that the left side of my lip is now going here, that the harmonica is actually in the corner of my mouth. Slide the 2-blow. You will need to pucker up a little bit. For the 1, you move your tongue to the right. Now, hole size. I tend to feel when I use tongue switching that my lips are around 3 holes in size. So when I go from a 2-blow to a 1-blow, I'll tend to move just a little bit to the right. You don't have to. It's what works for you. You might play your 2-blow tongue block, move your tongue to the right, aiming for the right cheek to get that first hole, or you might move over a little bit to allow your lips to be a little bit larger. Your body will figure that out over time. Right now it's about playing what's comfortable for you. So let's try from the 3-blow to a 1-blow. Again. Let's try a 3-draw. You might have some spit in the harmonica, so knock that out. If you're getting a tone like that, make sure to drop the back of the tongue. Now, there's some issues about the harmonica on the lower holes. If your tongue is raised in the back, which it most commonly is raised in the back, just for normal speech, we will tend to leave the back of our tongue humped up slightly. To play the lower holes of the harmonica, we need to drop the back of the tongue, like an ah. So think ah or a slight yawn. When I feel that yawn, I really feel that tongue moving back. Experiment with your tongue location. You go brush your teeth tonight, take a look in the mirror, and try different syllables and consonants and such. Just maybe say the alphabet slowly with your mouth open to see where your tongue is located in your mouth. But a slight yawn is really good for playing the harmonica because when you go to a yawn, it drops your jaw, so it makes your speaker cabinet larger so you get a bigger tone. 2, the back of the tongue drops down, the throat opens up, and the soft palate raises, closing off the nasal tract so we're not taking in or getting rid of air when we don't want to, because we want that air going through the harmonica. So those are generally good things to be thinking about. When you go to the 1, if it sounds flat, airy, etc., then those are the issues that you're having, is that the tongue. And the tongue is responsible for all good and evil on the harmonica. If it sounds good, because your tongue's in a good spot. It sounds bad because your tongue is in a spot in the mouth where it's preventing that reed from vibrating in its true pitch. So play that 1. Well, let's start with the 3-blow. 1-blow by tongue switching. 3-draw. Maybe you need to drop that jaw, open up. Experiment. Again, that's one thing that takes some time. Most players will push the tongue too hard on the face of the harmonica, so keep in mind that's a common problem that students are doing, that they're pushing too much on the face of the harmonica. So let's try that 3-blow, 2-blow again. Or 3-blow to 1-blow. 3-draw to 1-draw. Let's try it from the second hole now. 2-blow, 1-blow. 2-draw to 1-draw. Experiment with that. That can also be a good exercise to start with. Let's take a look at our example now. If to start on a one draw, maybe what you want to do is play a 3-blow or 2-blow, switch your tongue until you get it, and now you're set up, you're ready to roll. When I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, for us to play together, that'd be a good opportunity for you to go. Get that one draw ready for when we start together. So let me play this once for you. Let's go ahead and try that with the jam track. 2, ready, 1 draw. More time. Good. Now a reminder, each one of these courses that we're studying, give yourself about a week to work on. If you're learning them faster, feel free to move on. But realistic expectations is that we're developing muscle memory in our mouth. And there's multiple elements that go together to making good music. So as long as you're enjoying the journey, don't put a time restraint on how long this is going to take you. Great thing about being a human being is that we can do anything that we want to do if we give it the time.